Hello and welcome to 9543 Hacker Farm. Here I'm standing in front of this home. First thing, location. We're located towards the end of a cul-de-sac street right here. Great curb appeal coming up. Great flowers and landscaping. 3-car side attached garage here. Most of the home is brick. And we're coming in over 5,200 square feet according to previous owner here. And that does not include the 2-story workshop. Could also be a guest house, but this is 2 stories, currently used as a woodworking shop, just a wood shop, and it's all stone on here too. So great outside, great curb appeal here. Wait until you see this backyard, it is amazing. All right, so here I just came to the back left corner of the property, and as you can see, we have a huge yard here. Big garden right here where the fence is over here, and I can't really see the suns in my eyes, but these are raspberries, and I've been told these are the best raspberries that you will eat. Have our in-ground swimming pool right here. This is the back side of the house, and we have 2-tier entertaining. We'll take a look at that here in a minute. Over here we have our well pump, or not our well pump, our pool pump, and that is brand new, and this is the back side of our stone workshop. And we have a lot of features to look at and discuss back here. So before we go close to the house, I'm going to go over to this corner and give you another perspective. All right, so here we just came to the back right corner of the property. We do have a storage shed here. And as you see, huge yard. The yard's kind of pie-shaped, so it's narrow up front and then pies out the back to give you a huge backyard. But really, I love both sides of the yard. The side where we were over there had the garden and the raspberries. This side has fruit trees and nut trees and an awesome waterfall and pond here. So walking up, this is really cool. I'll get there, give me time. This feature was here and then added on to. And it will make you have to pee if you're out here for a while. The kind of stair-step waterfall down to a pond here. Nice little sitting and reading area. And again, you got the fruit trees and nut trees on the property. And then we'll keep going towards the front. So we have this little cutout here. And this cutouts and goes to our lower level entertaining. Be a perfect spot for cornhole boards, horseshoes. This is all level right here. And there's a walkway that goes all the way to the front. So if you have guests, they can come in the back without coming through the house. But this is all deck up here and then all pavers down here. And as you can see, it's all leveled out with the retaining walls here. I'm going to turn the camera off just so you're not bouncing around me while I walk, and I'm going to meet you up at the top deck. All right, so we're here on the deck here, and it looks in disarray. That's because it is. We're currently in the process of replacing all of the deck boards to the composite decking, so this will have all new decking on it. Do have rails going all the way around, and there you can see the steps going to our lower level entertaining area. And yep, we have the in-ground pool. Let's go walk over there and check it out. So for reference, our pond and waterfalls over there. This goes down to our lower level entertaining area. Our garden is over here. Our workshop is over here. Raspberry bushes to the left. Fruit trees and nut trees to the right. Excuse me. So we have a kidney bean shaped pool here. This would be the ultimate entertaining house. I mean, this is where everybody's going to be for every get-together. Plenty of room in the yard to kick a soccer ball around, play baseball, sit and read. This is just a once-in-a-lifetime property. And we haven't even seen the inside yet. Next, let's go inside and take a look. All right, I know I said we were just going to go inside, but I stopped it and came back here for some pictures. I thought this was a cool little spot if you're sitting here to read, you know, watching the kids or friends swim in the pool. Just over their side, you can hear, and this camera doesn't have great zoom potential or but you can hear the waterfall here and kind of can see everything that's going on. So it's really like, you feel like you're in a resort here at the Hilton or something like that. Now, let's go inside and take a look. All right, so here I just walked through the front door. Front door has 2 side lights on it. And then very open once we walk in here. High ceilings. I'd say they're probably 9 to 10 foot tall here. Formal dining room here. Nice pillars here. Multi-phase crown molding in the dining room here. This is all wood floors throughout most of the first floor, if not all of the first floor, except for the bathroom. Immediately to our right, we have our office. Plenty of windows in here. It's kind of a bow type window back here. And then this overlooks the front porch. So if you ran a home business, you have people come right in the door to your office here. Double door coat closet here. This takes us to our second floor. This takes us down to the basement. We'll look at that next. And then walking into our living room here. Very much a great room feel. We have our kitchen, 42-inch cabinets, crown molding, breakfast room that all overlooks the pool there. These windows here overlook the back deck. I'm getting excited about this house. It's very, very nice. Gas fireplace. This is all stone. And as you can see, these are all vaulted ceilings, go all the way up to the second floor. Actually, we'll look at the second floor before we look at the basement, just to give you an order here. This is all granite countertops and huge, huge bar here. It is recessed here, so you could have bar stools all along here if you choose to. We do have a pantry right there, plant shelf above the pantry. And again, there's multi-phase crown molding on the cabinets here. And then from our breakfast room, we can go out to the back deck, and this overlooks the pool. Gorgeous kitchen. I mean, the whole house, this house has so much to offer. The house and the land is just so, so nice. Sorry, collecting my thoughts here. Little, what do you call that? Desk area here that nobody probably uses that much because you have a formal office over there. Dining room, and we do have a first floor owner suite bathroom that we'll look at here momentarily. This door takes us to the garage. This is our first floor laundry area. Have a mud sink, and as you can see, you have room for whatever size washer and dryers you want in here. Plenty of room. Do have a half bathroom, which is nice, just located not too far from the garage here. And then the first floor owner suite here. Good sized room, recessed or coffered, I believe that's what they call that. It's kind of a bow out window, it bows out, and this all overlooks the pool area in the backyard. This is all wood floors in here. And then let's check out the bathroom. This is all ceramic tile, soaking tub, and that is, that is jetted. Our water closet here for our toilet. Double vanities. And they look like they're exactly the same size. So vanity here and vanity there. And then massive walk-in closet here. And this is wide because these are full things of dressers here. And you have plenty of room in this. Linen closet. Here we can get a good look at the tub. And this is this crescent, nobody can really see in that. Just on the other side, you can see the stone of the outbuilding there. And then walk-in shower, just a small little lip there at the bottom. There is a seat in here, recessed areas to put your shampoos and whatnot, but very, very nice bathroom here. So that's the first floor. Next, let's go check out the second floor. I'll meet you upstairs. All right, so here just walked up to the second floor. We're greeted by a large landing right here. And then immediately to our left, after coming up the stairs, we have our office area here. This is all looks to be engineered flooring. And really this is basically a bedroom that's just being used as an office. All you have to do is throw a door on here. From the landing, we can look down into our entry here to greet our guests. Hello. And then turning around just gives you a full 360. You can also look down into the living room as well, and the kitchen area also. So coming down the hallway, and this is a very wide hallway also, so getting furniture up here wouldn't be a problem. I'm going to call this bedroom, well, I'm just bedroom number 2 upstairs here. This is on the front side of the house. We do have an overhead ceiling fan. Closet here, and this is all carpeted except for the bathroom. And then come here. Now this was just completely remodeled. Really, it's never been used. Everything is that new. New vanity with the drawer in the middle. This is, I think, cultured marble for the top possibly. New faucets, everything new. The flooring in here is new, and all of this tile in here is new as well. Even the recessed shampoo bottle holder in here as well. And there is a linen closet behind the door here also. And then we're going to call this our third bedroom up here. This is a pretty good sized bedroom. This is on the left side of the house if you're looking at it from the street. So your view out this window would be the man cave. And then double doors coming in here. So 2 to 3 bedrooms if you include the office up here, and plenty of space. That is our second floor. All right, so here it just came down to the basement. This area right here is really like a great room that you'd see on a main level, but we have our living area, kitchen, and that's a second kitchen, dining area, and this is a huge storage area. Could be a massive bedroom or a rec room, theater room. Lots of possibilities. We'll take a look at it. It's being used as a storage room, but we'll look at the main areas first. Stone fireplace. This is gas, and it does walk out to the paver patio here, which it walks out that way to the side and is underneath the deck. Formal dining room. This would be a great place, I see, for like my kids coming over, all of their kids hanging out, where they can be down here in the basement while we're upstairs. Just a great entertaining house. Granite countertops in here, and these look like very nice cabinets. I don't know, they look like they might be craft made. Spot for bar stools there. There is a full bathroom down here. And there's our vanity. Walk-in shower here. Toilet is over here, and then that door goes to the bedroom, and then a linen closet right here. Lots of storage down here too. Underneath the stairs storage where that door I just pointed. And then this is the area that's kind of sequestered off, that's just used as a storage area. And it does look like a bomb went off, but it is a storage area. But we do have a window here that it might meet egress down here, but plenty of possibilities. I'm thinking theater room, ping pong table, pool table, all kinds of possibilities. And here you can see what I was talking about, just a very great room feel. Now coming in, this has a gigantic bedroom in here. This runs this whole length and then kind of flags over to the right. Tons of storage in here as well. This is our mechanical room, and there's a good amount of storage in here as well. There's wire shelves. And then here's where I say it flags all the way over. Great amount of space in here. Could be 2 offices or just how they have it. One big bedroom. Walk-in closet. And then another closet here. And then this is the door that goes to the bathroom. So you could lock that if you wanted to have this as a private bathroom, or Lock the one door, private bedroom, and it opens the bathroom up to everybody here. So fabulous basement. Next, let's go upstairs for a few closing statements. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions about this home or if you'd like to see it in person, feel free to give me a call or give your realtor a call. I'm sure they'd be happy to show you this home. This is a once-in-a-lifetime house and property. This is just amazing. I can't see how anybody wouldn't just fall in love with this place the moment they see it. So thanks for watching, and I look forward to talking to you.